Hi everybody, Coach BK here. So we are talking about infinite nutrition, so fueling your training and your racing with infinite. And I'm waiting on Infinite to approve these in the community as sharing them, but this is what they look like. So this is my run blend. I have 500 milligrams of sodium in it. I have the flavors middle of the road, carbs are middle of the road, the calories are a little bit higher, the electrolytes are higher, so the amount of sodium in there. I do not like protein when I'm running, it makes my belly gassy. I keep the amino acids in there and then the caffeine. So if you wanted to go with that, that would be a good starting off point and kind of adjusting from here. So this protein right here, they are going to recommend that in your run blend you don't put protein in, because it's one of the things that you can give gas. So, you know, the belly digesting protein when you're running, because of the jarring, can be hard on the belly. Okay? The run blend, I have a stronger flavor, higher carbs, higher calories. I still have 500 milligrams of sodium in it. No protein. I just don't like protein. I've tried the non-whey, and for me the belly's just no go. I don't put caffeine in my bike blend because I use caffeine as a pick-me-up. I usually need the pick-me-up on the run, and it's a long day, and considering my heart health, I need to not be drinking caffeine all day long. And ladies, caffeine is what's going to make it hard to control some peeing control. Caffeine is pretty notorious for making that a little bit more difficult. So anyway, you can tweak these. So, you know, create your custom blend, create your own. It's pretty easy. Okay. I go to, again, create your own, build your own. Okay, here you go. You can rename it somewhere along the way. Here you go. You name it down here, and these move. Okay, so again, I showed you what mine are. They're going to tell you osmolality-wise what works, and that means how your belly's going to respond to it. Osmolality meaning the water H2O to sodium mix. It needs to be a certain rate, certain percentage, so so you absorb the stuff. So see how you can really up this quite a bit and it's still fine. The calories, see how it got up to there and then it changed that. So if you wanted more calories, you would need to have less sodium. But anyway, okay. Carbs. Calories, carbs, a little bit different, the type of carbs, and they're going to protect how much you can put in to be absorbable from the belly. Okay. So it'll tell you what's good and what's not. So feel free to move this stuff around, save it for later. So let's say next, okay. I do the bag. They have other options, okay? And then you can have a vegan protein alternative. I've tried it. I didn't like it, but my belly it doesn't like eating protein long term, especially when I'm running. I've added the CoQ10 in, and that was fine, and I've added these things in, and that's fine too. Creatine is going to make you hold on to water a little bit more, so be mindful of that. And then you just put it in there. Da-da-da. Look at that. Check out. And then, you know, if you wanted to do the free shipping, that's great. Get a certain amount in there and add on. And then the coaching discount, BK Coaching. Hey, Coach BK. let me know if you have any questions regarding ordering Infinite Nutrition. There's some recommendations and whatnot to start off with, kind of a baseline and simple tweaks. Sometimes you do need to change it up, but they're really good at taking returns and whatnot. So go to trainwithcoachbk.com if you have questions. Give us a shout. Use the discount code if you like. Capital B, capital K, capital C, coaching. Hope you're having a great day. Namaste.